My name is Delachartre. I am a certified yoga instructor in Integrative Yoga Therapy and Prana Yoga. The purpose of this class is to re-establish a sense of inner well-being and harmony through the coordination of breath, movement, and the awareness of how our body feels. We move at a rhythm of slow, deep breath, and we match our presence of mind with the reality of our physical sensations. We move with ease and not by force. Eventually, with practice, our nervous system can learn to disengage from pain and stiffness to form new, healthier connections. We also use mindfully our abdominal muscles to strengthen them and to distress other parts of our body that are overworked. Today, I will demonstrate for you a simple sequence in which if we practice mindfully, can alleviate pain and stiffness from the lower back. So if you want to join me, you lie down on your back. So if you have back pain, you start lying from the sides and then on your back. You keep your knees bent, feet apart the width of the hips. And the first thing you do is to establish a rhythm of deep breath. So if you are not used to it, you put one hand on the belly, one hand on the chest, and you feel the breath. The breath is a movement by itself. So you inhale deeply, feeling the whole torso expanding. And exhale deeply, feeling the whole torso become smaller. And again, inhale deeply. Feel the fullness in your lungs. Exhale. And relax. After at least 6 breaths, you bring your arms down along your body and we'll start stretching one side of the body at a time. So inhale, stretching the right side. If your arm cannot reach back because your shoulder is stiff, you just move it wherever you can. Exhale, bring your arm down, bend your knee again. And left side, inhale. And notice your body sensations. Exhale. Slow motion, long breath. Inhale, right side. And notice that the pelvis tilts a little forward when we stretch. And on the exhale, the pelvis tilts back. Also, inhale when you stretch, the hip of the leg stretching goes lower than the other. And exhale, come back, both hips come back even. After a few times, you will do this stretch in 2 breaths. Inhale. And stay. Exhale, using your abdominal muscles. So feel it intensely. Inhale, feel the rib cage opening on the right and the lengthening of the waist. Exhale, return to the beginning. Hips tilting back. Left side in 2 breaths. Inhale. And you stay. Exhale, using your abdominal muscles. And inhale, feel the whole left side stretching. The ribs separating more. Exhale, come back. Hips tilting back. After a few times, you will stretch the right arm with the left leg, then the left arm with the right leg. Different sensations will happen around the pelvis. Inhale, right arm, left leg. Stay. Exhale, elongate the right side of the ribcage and pull the left hip down. Inhale deeply. Exhale, bring your arm down, bend your knee, hips tilting back. Left arm with the right leg. Inhale. So feel the left side of the rib cage lengthening and the right hip going down. Exhale using your abdominal muscles. And inhale again deeply. Exhale, arm down, bend your knee, lower back down. After a few times doing this, you lift your knees towards the chest, hold them. You can hold them each hand on each knee. If you can reach easily, you cross your fingers around your knees. And if your knees hurt you, bring your hands underneath. Whichever way you do it is fine. And the shoulders stay open, the neck stays long, and you breathe deeply, noticing your body's sensations. On the exhale in particular, feel the spine lengthening, the lower back relaxing. Stay with this at least 6 long breaths, and then you turn on your side. You sit up. You can sit on the cushion to have the pelvic floor a little higher than your knees. It's easier on your spine. And try to feel how your spine lengthens up. And it might be easier than before you started the practice. Yoga uses breath coordinated with movement to restore harmony within mind, body, and the environment. With time and practice, you might discover that you don't need to push yourself in extreme limits to feel good, flexible, and strong. Thank you for joining me today. Namaste.